Hello YouTube, this is Delta0125 doing another review on the TSD M9 and UTG M3L long version multi-shot shotgun. I'm going to be using 12 grams today. Tippmann 12 grams to be exact, the ultrasonic BBs. Green ones with the little bubble in them. I've not had a problem with these in tight bore barrels. I know it's not the best to use 12 grams in any gun at all, but when I have the money for it and I can mess around with all my guns, dick around with them, whatever, I usually test out the 12 grams, and if anything happens, I just replace the barrel, hop up bucking, etc., whatever the hell it damaged. But these 12 grams I've not had a problem with. The only time they have bursted was when they came out of the barrel and hit something hard like cement or a hard piece of wood or something like that. They have shattered. Other than that, they are pretty good. I recommend the 12 grams for the shotgun, especially because of the spread pattern you will get. Will be awesome. And for the fact that when I was out at Wasilla, Alaska, doing a game at the missile site, I gave a fellow member of AirsoftAlaska.com a chance to use my shotgun. He used 20 grams in it, and they jammed in the barrels. And I wound up pulling out about 5 BBs, which were all greasy as hell, black, and the last one was all scratched up from me using a paper clip to remove it. Anyways, I cleaned the barrel, and I've started using 12 grams, and it has a perfect, if not, like, the best spread pattern out of most likely all the shotguns out there. It is tight pattern, but it is not a too tight of a pattern. I'm using 12 grams in the M9 because I don't want to waste any more of my 20 grams. I want to save them for the upcoming game. I've used 12 grams in my pistol just for the hell of it. I've actually gotten 2 guys out, and they were Air Force men from up here. I got them out with the same BBs, the 12 gram BBs. They were about maybe 20-30 feet away when I hit them. So, pretty accurate with 12 grams. M9 and shotgun. And, amazingly, I'm going to give you music as well as the 2 targets. The left one is for the M9, the right one is for the shotgun. Okay? So, anyways, the music is Last Resort by Papa Roach. Enjoy.
Into pieces. This is my last resort.
Yes, you can perform one-handed cocking. Ow. That one hit me. Whoa. Shotgun fell. There we go. There's out. Now the M9. Now it's out. Let's go check the damage. The shotgun and the M9. So, yeah. TSD M9, UTG shotgun. Thank you for watching the review. Delta0125, signing out.